Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Toyota Prius door panel. Start by disconnecting the battery, lowering the window, and clearing the area. Remove visible screws and pry gently with a trim tool to free clips. Keep hardware organized and note each screw location. If the panel resists, double-check for hidden fasteners near the armrest or speaker. Stay calm, take photos for reassembly, and work methodically for best results. Begin removing trim by locating and popping off switch bezels and covers with a plastic tool to avoid damage. Unscrew the visible fasteners, keeping each screw grouped by location so reassembly is simple. Carefully release clips by prying at panel seams rather than forcing the entire panel off. Use steady pressure and listen for popping sounds as clips disengage. If a clip sticks, backtrack and check for a missed screw before proceeding. Once the panel is loose, support it and locate electrical connectors for switches, speakers, and courtesy lights. Depress connector tabs and wiggle gently to unplug each harness without pulling on wires. Label or photograph connector positions to speed reconnection later. If the speaker has a removable clip, detach it before fully removing the panel. Place the panel on a padded surface to prevent scratches and check the inner water shield for any adhesive or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.